What is it? It's broccoli. Yay! It's healthy. What is it? It's burger. Oops, it's unhealthy. What is it? It's tomato. Yay! It's healthy. What is it? It's meat. Oops, it's unhealthy. What is it? It's banana. Yay! It's healthy. What is it? It's pizza. Oops, it's unhealthy. What is it? It's soya milk. Yay! It's healthy. What is it? It's ice cream. Oops, it's unhealthy. What is it? It's orange juice. Yay! It's healthy. What is it? It's soft drink. Oops, it's unhealthy. Diet choice. Think before you eat.
Kids, these are junk food. It's a term for food containing high levels of calories from sugar and fat with less protein, vitamins or minerals. Excess calories from fast food meals can cause weight gain. This may lead towards obesity. So kids, think before you eat. Kids, these are healthy food. Having a healthy lifestyle, eating well, and being physically active helps you to build strong bones, grow and develop healthily, improves your concentration at school, maintain a healthy weight, helps you to be alert and active. So kids, eating these food will make you strong and healthy.
Thank you.